show you what we've been up to. So on the back of our custom $2,000 radiator, we've got our custom fan, 14 inches, it's plenty, no one needs more than 14 inches. We've got our wee zippy ties holding it on there, it's nice and firm, nice and secure. It's wired into the factory plug at the moment. Well, it's wired into the factory plug. I'll tidy that up at some point. It's just kind of left it a wee bit hillbilly for the time being. I've got our shrouds back on. I've also got our radiator's hot. Got a Boss for the temperature sender up here. It's designed for a motorbike, 22mm thing. It's a Kozo brand off eBay. That runs through where the clutch pedal comes through. We also had a go at recharging the aircon. This is an R12 system that's been converted to R134. We put what seemed to be the correct weight of gas in here, and it seemed to be running very high kind of pressures, and the compressor was making a really nasty noise. So a bit of fine tuning to happen with the aircon, but that's we'll get to that. That's the gravy. This is the actual meat and potatoes. We've got a sealed cooling system, we've got a fan that works, we've got some additional kind of monitoring with our temperature sender. Show you inside of the car, show you it all working. Well, there's our factory gauge. It's not reading anything right now. Come down to just below there, we've got our auxiliary temperature gauge here. Again, designed for a motorbike, nice and unobtrusive. When you sit there, you can just see it when you're corner of your eye when you're driving along. Yeah, this one up here, more of a random number generator. Sometimes the gauge works, other times it doesn't. I need to fix the whole thing, but either way, they've never been that reliable. So we got this one, which hopefully will be. And we've also got aircon, so you can hear the fans kicked in. Pushing plenty of air. That's working well. That fan is actually, probably sounds loud on the video, but it's quieter than the factory one. I've only got one speed rather than the 3 speeds you get out of the factory setup, but I'm happy with that. It seems to work. Not going to change it. Get plenty of cooling. Our temperature, been driving around a fair bit. Temperatures stay nice and steady. Haven't had the fan kick on to cool the car off yet. Only had it on with the aircon. But yeah, oh no, I did, obviously I tested it, made sure it came on when the car got it up to 92 degrees or whatever it said. But yeah, no, general driving hasn't come on yet, apart from when you use the aircon. But yeah, no, things are looking good. It's nice to finally have this car back up and running and hopefully reliable for some time. And yeah. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to driving it. So yeah, I've got work to do on the other cars, so until then, goodbye from the Audi.